Oh, oh, ha, ha, ha. Holy crap, that's hot. Hey everybody, it's me, Becca, and welcome back to my channel. No, like literally welcome back. It's been a while. My excuses for not being on YouTube. I've been playing a lot of Fortnite, trying to get my life together, try to organize my closet. That didn't work. And we're back to cooking! Yay! So I'm cooking and that's all that matters. And today I have a delicious chocolate recipe for you guys that's super easy. So I'm just easing my way back in. It is a crock pot lava cake and it's just chocolate on top of gooey chocolate, and then you top it off with vanilla ice cream, which is super delicious. And I absolutely love the idea of it because it kind of reminds me of that lava cake from Chili's. And you guys know I love eating out. It's one of my favorite things to do, but your girl's on a budget, so we don't always do it. So I figured this is a nice way to make it at home. Well, you know, like a little copycat, not copycat version because it's nothing like theirs, but anyways, let's go ahead and see if it works. Okay guys, so for the lava cake, you will need a spatula and a mixing bowl, a crock pot, of course, some chocolate frosting, semi-sweet chocolate chips, a cake mix, and whatever ingredients your cake mix tells you to follow. Mine tells you to put eggs and oil in there. And then you're gonna need some measuring cups, dry and wet. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is get my Betty Crocker's chocolate fudge cake mix, and I'm gonna pour that in there. Okay, now that I've poured my cake mix out, I'm gonna follow the instructions on the back of mine, and it tells me to put half a cup of oil. I'm using the vegetable kind, and then I like to cover it up a little with that so it starts the mixing process. 1 1/4 cup of water. And last but not least, 3 eggs. Second egg. And now we're gonna whisk that all up. Okay, so our next step is to get our crock pot out, and I'm gonna go ahead and just butter mine, just because I'm always super afraid things are gonna stick. So I'm just gonna get a stick of butter and butter it all around to make sure everything comes out really nice and good. Okay, so now here's the great part of these recipes from the crock pot. All we're gonna do is dump that cake mix. Make sure to get as much as you can. That's where the spatula comes really in handy. Once that's dumped, throw that to the side. Grab a can of your chocolate frosting. Start eating it. Just kidding. You want to start putting globs of that all over the place. I throw the whole can in there. Why not? That's good. Come on, you guys wanted to do it too. No, you did. I'm just not going to put that one in the mix. Alright. Now that I put the whole thing in there, we're going to take 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and just dump those on top. Then with the spoon, I like to spread everything out a little. And then I put this bad boy on high. We put the lid on, and then we just let it sit in for 2.5 hours. And then we have delicious lava cake. Well, I'm going to serve with a little bit of vanilla ice cream. Okay guys, as you can see, it came out super chocolatey, and it took exactly 2.5 hours for me. But I hear that depending on how big your crock pot is, that's how long it will take for you. I went ahead and just served it with some delicious plain old vanilla ice cream, and I'm gonna go ahead and try it now. Oh, oh, ha, ha, ha. Holy crap, that's hot. I get why you call it lava. I get why they call it lava cake. I literally feel my taste buds dying, but in a good way. This is super delicious, and the ice cream melts just like super decadent. Super delicious. But be careful, because if you get it right from the crock pot like I did, it can get hot. It's like really hot, so I probably would turn it off for a minute, let it kind of cool down, and then eat it. But you guys know I'm impatient, and I can't help myself. Definitely for the win. Do you guys like watching me eat? Wait, that sounds like weird. Because I've been thinking maybe I'll do a mukbang on my channel. And if you guys think that's a good idea, let me know down below. I've been back and forth on it, but I'm thinking about it. And also, what would you guys like me to eat on camera? Let me know down below. Maybe you guys are into watching me eat. I mean, I'm into eating. Okay guys, final thoughts is this is a super delicious dessert. Now I get why they call it lava cake because it can get very hot. But I think my fault because I probably should have just let it cool for a second when I plated it. But overall, it's super delicious and I think it's a must with some vanilla ice cream. And it's super affordable to make and super quick and easy. So if you're having, you know, friends and family, if you have those people in your lives, have them come over and have some lava cake. Okay guys, please don't be mad at me that I haven't been here and still subscribe to me. I will be bringing out more content very soon. I'm so sorry. I'll work on being a better YouTuber. And make sure to leave any comments down below if you have any ideas for anything you guys want me to do. I would love some ideas. As well as always, make sure to like it. And see you guys soon. If y'all want to squat up on that Fortnite life, my name is Becca, B-E-C-A, capital B, 1230. Let's play. But please don't be weird when you do it. I mean, yeah, the kids are weird. You guys are fine. Just like it. Come on, let's be friends.